Hello Falava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Moana. Today on our YouTube channel we will be learning about whaalongona, which are our emotions. This is taken from our second Facebook Live playgroup, so I hope that you enjoy it. Our next thing that we will be talking about is whaalongona. Can you say that? Whaalongona. Can you try that again? Whaalongona. So whaalongona are our emotions. Can anybody tell me what an emotion is? No? So emotions are how we feel. So today I'm feeling happy because I got to eat chocolate for breakfast. What makes you happy? Okay, so happy in Samoan. Who can guess what happy in Samoan is? Fia. So I am fia when I eat chocolate for breakfast. Our next whaalongona is this face. Who knows what this face means? Can you see what that face is? How does that face? What do you think this face is feeling? What is their whaalongona? They are angry. And in Samoan, angry is ita. So what are some things that could make us ita? Yes, when there's no chocolate for breakfast, I get ita. Who can tell me what this whaalongona is? Maybe this whaalongona is scared. Yes. So this whaalongona in Samoan is fefe. Can you say fefe? What are some things that could make you fefe? I feel fefe when I don't have my mum and dad around. That can sometimes make me feel scared. And our last whaalongona for today is, what do you think this face is? Is it happy? Is it fia? Or is it ita? No. Is it fefe? No. So here we've got a tear because they're crying, because they're whaanoanoa. Whaanoanoa. Whaanoanoa is sad. What are some things that make you sad? I can sometimes feel whaanoanoa when I don't get to see my brothers or my sisters or my family. That will make me whaanoanoa. So we have fia, which is happy, ita, which is angry. Can you make it angry first? Fefe, which is scared, and whaanoanoa, which is sad. And these are all whaalongona, our emotions. Thank you for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you enjoyed learning about whaalongona. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like us to make more of this content, please press the subscribe button down below. We've left some links in our description if you want to learn more about our education programs. And yes, thank you again. Whakataite lava. Have a nice day.